Alright guys, unfortunately we hit break even today, and I'm gonna show you a little breakdown and analysis of today's trade. Some people may have faded it um, in general, didn't even take it, but I took it. And we did get break even and I got edged. Yeah, alright, let's get into this. Going into the market, let me just turn off all this. Boom. We have left, so we have this daily fair value gap that had not been mitigated yet into, especially with yesterday's price action. We rebalanced into the 4 hour and the 1 hour earlier. And yeah, left this unmitigated. We also have an unmitigated 4 hour left at top. And I mean, this reaction out of this daily fair value gap was showing a little bit of bullish structure, to be honest, but at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure we were just rebalancing this entire range. And we might actually continue higher into this. But I just wanted to take like a little 2R, tapping into this sell side and then the 4 hour to then continue higher. That was just my thought, just based off this entire price action for this week. So yeah, tapping into the daily. We've also swept this 1 hour candle wick, obviously on the lower time frame. We pretty much have an S&T at this high here. So I was thinking shorts after tapping into here. Let's go to the 5 minute. When I scroll down, yeah, like honestly, bro, like a lot of people might have faded this shit, because even on the 5 minute, like structure here just looks so trash. And I wasn't taking like a bum trade. There's still trades that could still play out even though it's choppy. But then again, like this entire week, this entire week has zero red folder news. But anyways, this buy side cleared, and then a little internal buy side. This kind of looks like a little manipulation, like to me, with the wick here, and then the bearish SMT. And I just wanted to target this internal sell side right here, tapping into the 4 hour. I was not gonna target anything lower here, so that kind of just tells you I wasn't really looking for that big of a short. So even though price may hit this TP, whatever, this price action is like dead ass dookie. But anyways, we have left behind on the 2 minute. So right here we have these fair value gaps, gets inversed. We also have another fair value gap coming out of this inversion gap, and after we close down here, we did retrace back into it. I didn't take any trades, I just waited. So this would have been a crazy stop, I guess, if you entered off the IFVG. Like, I don't really know. Like, this is the next candle close right here. This is, yeah, I don't know. That's kind of, it's kind of an L. And then with that being said, we also have a little 5 minute change in state, which is what I was looking at here. And the one thing about this trade is you can be really discretionary about it, just because we sat so low. Like, you had to displace like almost over 60 points just to get a change in state. And as you can see with the price action here, just wicking and somehow making its way, easily could have faded it. So like, we still have that change in state already, but when it comes to price ever like just straight up displacing like this V shape right here, majority of the time when it looks like this, It's not gonna go just straight down unless we're just dumping. But with good price action structure, I did want to see a little tap back into these fair value gaps before going lower. The entry was actually up this IFVG. Pretty much a little wonky of a trade, because like you have all this and we're kind of chopping through this gap here. We're chopping and we didn't get a fully like a clean close beneath this gap, and that's why I was like, okay, it's kind of here we go. That looks better. Essentially a 2R right here. This was the trade right here. And yeah, as price came down initially, this wick right here, like right here, this one, bro, 7 points away from TP, bro. I was like, okay, this is gonna be one of those like quick sell-off trades, and it's just gonna like hit TP because it was down here, and I had already went BE, and I was like, oh, okay, and then it said, hell no. It came back up, and I got stopped out at break even right here. And yeah, I just think the trade management, the risk management during the trade was good. Allowed me to go break even. And yeah, just in case this type of stuff would happen, because I mean, I was looking at this price action this entire morning. It's happens. We have no red folder news. Like if this trade were to play out, even if you had stopped like right here, this is the inversion gap, you probably would have got stopped out for break even. It was in the middle, because I feel like these types of trades that you take, they do play out and they do hit TP, but that type of price action is pretty difficult to sit through. So I'm kind of glad I'm out of it, to be honest. And yeah, as you can see, TP did get hit. It was an initial draw, so not even bad about that, to be honest. That's pretty much the trade today. Nothing crazy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, next trade recap, and hopefully we get some sort of good price action coming out this week. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Unfortunate break even on this morning. Just checked my social media, and looks like Patty got break even as well. Same with Blake. They took the same trade. Unfortunately, they got break even as well. So yeah, it was a kind of a wicked price action day today. Even with pretty much an obvious draw on liquidity, but that's what happens. I have a link in my description that essentially has all 3 links to social media, even the free Discord that everyone can join. Feel free to reach out to me. You can personally DM me as well. All that stuff is found in the description with all my social media links. And yeah, I'll see you guys next trade recap.